Hey guys, it's Trini. Today, hold on, wait there. Just turn the light on. Today we got some fake Pokemon cards. We got 4 packs. We went to the Thorpedale Spuds Festival today. We'll be opening the pink packs. William will be opening the blue ones. William doesn't particularly like Pokemon, just so you know. And these are fake. These are fake, you can just tell by the pack.
We've opened some packs already.
Yeah, they were pretty cheap. There were three of the packs for $2, so thought we'd buy 6 of them and then we'd open 2 when we're at the thingo. So yeah, I'll go first. Here, grab a pair of scissors.
Do you have scissors?
Yeah. Bottom drawer. No. Second bottom drawer.
Yeah.
No. The second top one I meant.
Okay.
I don't think there's any card trick. Oh, nice. So we got Shiftry, I don't know its name. Clefable, you can even tell just that they're fake. Luxio. Oh, I thought it was ground for a second, but it's not. Garchomp.
The hell is this thing?
Go-Go. That's the archery.
Oh, okay.
Pangoro. Ooh, Groudon.
Fake Groudon.
Yeah.
I don't even know what
It's 100 damage. And our rare is Meowstic. With energy present, attach up to 2 energy cards from your hand and 1 of your bench Pokemon. And Psyshot, that does 40. Okay, next pack.
Guys, come follow me on my YouTube channel. It's no, don't follow, subscribe, and like all my videos. It's downhill racing vlogs. I don't actually do downhill racing vlogs. I just make videos. So yeah, come follow me, guys.
Shut up, you gay weirdo.
No.
And I don't know what that's called. Stantler, I got that the other day in Pokemon Go. Blitzle.
You play Pokemon Go like every day.
No.
Garbite.
Garbite. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Cloysart's not a bad card.